Hello students, good day everyone. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School. I am Shraddha Jadhav teacher. Today we are going to see subject EVS, chapter number 15, Travel and Transport, revision, page number 64 to 66. So let's start. Chapter number 15, Travel and Transport. How do you come to school every day? Some of us walk to school if we live nearby. Some of us travel by bus or auto rickshaws. Some children come to school by car. We need vehicles or travel from one place to another. We also need vehicles to send goods from one place to another. These vehicles are called means of transport. Land transport. In many places, people use animals as a means of transport. They move on land. In hilly areas, ponies and mules carry people and goods. In deserts, the camel is the only means of transport for people and goods. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. Bullock carts and horse carts are used to carry people and goods. Bicycles, auto rickshaws, scooters, motorbikes and cars and buses are used for traveling short distances. Train, buses and trucks carry passengers and goods over long distances. Very big cities have local trains for people to travel to different parts of the city. Many cities like Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi now have trains called metro. Water transport. Small boats and motorboats carry people and goods across rivers. Ship and liners carry people and goods to distant places across the seas and ocean. Air transport. The fastest means of transport is by air. We can travel long distances in a very short time by aeroplanes. Helicopters are used for flying over short distances. Goods can also be sent through cargo planes and helicopters. Now remember part. Remember. First, we need vehicles to travel or send goods from one place to another. Second, all vehicles are called means of transport. Third, in some places, animals are also used as a means of transport. Now we will see some question answer. Answer the following question. First, what are the three means of transport? Answer, three means of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Second, what are the different form of land transport? Answer, the different form of land transport: road transport and rail transport. Third, give two examples of rail transport. Answer, two examples of rail transport: train and metro. Fourth, give some example of water transport. Answer, water transport: ship, boat, liners, motor boats. Now, ponies. Ponies are small horses. So this is a pony. Mules. So this is a mule. So thank you children. I hope you understood this topic and we have already learned about this topic, this chapter and I hope you do practice at home. Please subscribe our channel, like and share. Thank you.